Hey, how's it going? It's time for us to start wrapping up Gulf Lander. She's now ready for her hibernation as we speak. As the winter comes in, we're trying to de-winterize her. First of all, we're emptying all the water in the tank. And then we'll turn on the pumps inside, make sure the plumbing is all clean and there's no water in there for it to freeze over. We've got to put what I need to do in the fuel tank, anti-gel or whatever it's called. And then it's going to live in this warehouse. Anyone wants to see this, by appointment only. And it's time for us to start planning on taking the Land Cruiser, hopefully all the way down south and all the way out east to Australia. Gulf Lander is sitting here. She will sit here for a while, and I've tried to put her in such a way that if there's too much rain, it's just going to be, because she's tilted, if you can see, she's a little to the side a little bit, to the left, and hopefully the water will just flow off and not stagnate on top. But I've also left the top open so that the batteries can charge. The solar cell can keep charging the batteries and keep it alive whenever it's required for it to get started. So that said, this is how we're going to leave her, and hopefully she'll find a great new home. That's my son, here to take out what's important, what's necessary, and close her up. We were all done. She's all packed up, and she's just gonna lie here, rest here. I know I'm getting a little emotional about this, but you know, what are you gonna do? So I'm just walking away. I've done several times with her, and she knows I'll come back, and of course I will, God willing. But for now, we need to ensure no one dies waiting for an organ, and she did her duty. She rocks. So there she is, Gulf Lander. We're driving away. God bless her and keep her safe. I know I'm a little emotional about these things because she was my home and the place where I looked forward to being. I ate there. I had great memories with my friends, my family. She could be yours. She could be a great companion to you. If not, happy to keep her. On to new adventures with Globe Lander.